Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about free online resource for designer. Whether you are a graphic designer, web designer, or app designer, or what have you, consider to stay tuned to this video and see best website that you can get free commercial use icon for your design project. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your browser. The next thing you want to do is to make sure you come to the address bar and type in this particular website right here, icons8.com. Hit enter key on your keyboard. It's going to take you to the official web page right here. Original stock graphics by our team plus design apps and AI tool right here. So on getting to the site, you can scroll down and read a lot of things about the site right here. Now, how do you get different icons in different file format or for free? So next thing you want to do is to come to the search right here under their web right here. Let's say, for instance, you are looking for Facebook icon. Go ahead and type in Facebook right here. So when you type in Facebook, hit enter. And then when you type in right here, make sure you select what exactly you are looking for. So in my own end, we are looking for icons right here. That's why you see icons. And then it's going to give you different template as far as Facebook icon is concerned. The more you scroll down, the more you see different icons right here. And one thing here is that you can download in different file formats of your choice. You can also filter by either of 3D. Let's say you are looking for 3D icon, so you have it all in 3D right here. If you are looking for fill, you have the fill right here, just like what you see right here. If you are looking for only a line, click on line, and you are going to get all this in line right here. So if you are looking for Android, so you are going to get different Android of Facebook logo, Facebook like, and Facebook SMS as the case may be. If you are looking for multicolor, click on multicolor. You have it right here. So scroll down right here, and then you have different features as far as this particular site is concerned. Let's say if you are looking for another thing. Let's say you are looking for location icon. Go ahead and type in location and make sure location is checked. Yeah, icons is checked. Hit enter. Then you are going to see a lot of results right here as far as location icon is concerned. You can also come here and filter based on 3D icon for location. Then you have all 3D different location icon right here. Let's say, for instance, you want to download any of the icons. You want to download this. Click on it. Then you have different options right here. This is location icon, and then you can easily add text right here. So, but before you can do any of the design, you'll be asked to log in with either your Mac account or Linux or Google or Microsoft account. You can use any of the all those accounts to log in, and then here you can also change color as the case may be. So just click on here, and you're going to see the color preview. Then from here you can edit the background color. You can also work on the body, so you can do different sort of things with your icon right here. So once you are satisfied with everything about the icon, go ahead and hit on download right here. Then you have different file format. Download location icon, you have PNG for free. You have the favicon also is for free. But if you are getting SVG and PDF, you have to subscribe for the premium. But as for me, I'm getting it for free. So select my PNG file or favicon or favicon size file right here. So select PNG, then you have different resolution, and the case may be we have 100 by 100, which is free, and we have 50 by 50, which is also free. Then we have customized size, which is 100 by 100 for free. You can check on the preview right here. So if you click on the other options right here, you have the preview. You can download as many as possible size as the case may be. But some of them that was not indicated free right here are for premium. You can also download this. So we have about 3 different sets of the icon in the preview right here. Then come down below right here, go ahead and click on download right here. And once you hit on download, the file is going to successfully download into your PC. It's that simple. You can go now on and check different kind of icons on this particular website. Let me know what you think about this particular website in the comment section down below. And for more useful resource for graphic designer or web designer or developer like this, consider to hit that subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.